might think $100 is not enough to invest. That's wrong. Even a small amount can make a big difference. Investing is for everyone, even with a small amount. You don't need thousands to get started. Starting small has big benefits. It allows you to dip your toes into the world of investing without overwhelming yourself. It helps you learn about investing without risking too much. You can make mistakes and learn from them without significant financial loss. You'll gain confidence and understand the process. Each small win builds your knowledge and boosts your morale. Most importantly, starting with $100 gets you in the game. It's your entry ticket to the world of investing. Investing is about growing your money over time. Patience and consistency are key. It's how you build wealth for the future. Small, consistent investments can lead to significant growth. Don't wait for a big paycheck to start. The best time to start investing is now. Your $100 can grow into something much bigger. With time and smart choices, it can multiply. It's time to take control of your financial future. Start small, think big, and stay committed. Let's explore how to turn that $100 into smart investments. There are many options available, from stocks to mutual funds. Remember, every journey starts with a single step. Your first investment is the beginning of your financial journey. Your journey to financial freedom starts with that first $100 investment. It's a small step with a big impact. It's not just about the money, it's about developing good habits. Consistent investing and smart financial planning are crucial. Investing is a marathon, not a sprint, and every dollar counts. Stay the course and you'll see the rewards over time. Ready to invest your $100? Let's explore some smart and simple ways to get started. Start with simple, beginner-friendly options that don't require a lot of money or experience. One easy choice is a high-yield savings account, which is a safe place to grow your money. These accounts offer better interest rates than regular savings accounts, helping your money grow faster. You won't get rich quickly, but your money will grow steadily and safely over time. Another great option is micro-investing apps, which make investing accessible to everyone. These apps let you invest with spare change, making it easy to start small. They round up your purchases to the nearest dollar and invest the difference, so you can grow your investments effortlessly. It's a fun and effortless way to start investing without even thinking about it. Perfect for those new to investing. These methods are perfect for beginners who want to dip their toes into the world of investing. They offer a low barrier to entry and minimal risk, making them ideal for those just starting out. Once you're comfortable with these methods, you can explore more advanced options and strategies. Remember, the goal is to start investing and build a habit that will benefit you in the long run. Now, let's explore some more advanced investing options that can help you grow your wealth. Don't worry, you can still get started with just $100, and there are plenty of opportunities to make that money work for you. One option is fractional shares, which are a great way to dip your toes into the stock market. These allow you to buy a portion of a company's stock, even if you can't afford a whole share, making it accessible for everyone. Another option is investing in bonds, which can be a more stable choice. Bonds are like loans to the government or companies, and they can be a reliable source of income. They offer a fixed return over a set period, providing a predictable income stream. While the returns might be lower than stocks, they are generally less risky, which can be appealing for conservative investors. Remember, higher returns often come with higher risks, so it's crucial to balance your portfolio. It's important to research and understand your investments thoroughly before committing your money. Consider your risk tolerance and investment goals before diving into more complex options, ensuring they align with your financial strategy. The most important factor in investing is time. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. This is due to the power of compounding. Compounding means earning interest on your interest, leading to exponential growth over time. Consistency is also key. Investing regularly, even small amounts, can make a big difference in the long run. Think of it like a snowball effect. The more you invest consistently, the faster your money will grow. Don't get discouraged by market fluctuations. Investing is a long-term game. Stay focused on your goals and keep investing consistently. Remember, time is your greatest ally in building wealth. Investing might seem daunting, but remember, you don't need a fortune to start. Your $100 is a powerful tool waiting to be put to work. It's a symbol of your commitment to your financial future. Take the first step today and watch your money grow. Open a high-yield savings account, download a micro-investing app, or explore fractional shares. The options are endless, and the power to grow your wealth is in your hands. Start small, stay consistent, and let the magic of compounding work its wonders. Remember, the best time to start investing was yesterday. The second best time is today. I am not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. Investing involves risk, and you could lose money. Consult a financial professional before making investment decisions.